Consistency is hard, but you can definitely make it way easier. One of the best way on how to actually do that is to basically join a supportive community of your particular field. If you want to be consistent at exercising, well, join a supportive fitness club. If you want to be consistent at reading a book, well, join a supportive book reading club. Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 28, 2025, and this is going to be day 385 of consistently helping people build consistency. There are two main keywords here. One, supportive, and two, the same particular field that you want to be consistent at. Actually, the word supportive is really important because you do not want to just be surrounded by people who have the same interests as you, but everyone is just so toxic. Everyone is just belittling each other and be arrogant. You want to be surrounded by people who are actually happy to see you progressing in the field that you want to be consistent at. And you are going to realize how amazing it feels to basically be surrounded by like-minded people and progress together, share your thoughts, and also, most importantly, be happy each other to see each other's progress. So let's say you are currently struggling with studying consistently. Well, to some extent, you can study here, study there, 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. But on the days when you are not feeling motivated, you find it really, really hard to study consistently, okay? And to some extent, yeah, you know that studying is really important. That's why you want to build some consistency in studying consistently. The thing that you want to do here is to basically join a, let's say, supportive book reading club where people just read books every single day. Okay? And when you surround yourself, the supportive people, the supportive members of that particular community, you are slowly going to adapt their behaviors, their mindset. Okay? When you join this club, the people there, they relatively have more experience in studying consistently. Big chances studying is basically just a daily routine for them. Slowly and surely, it's going to become the norm when, you just hang out with the people who talked about studying every single day and talked about the importance of studying and the right methods to study. It's not going to be feeling something that's far-fetched anymore. Studying consistently every single day isn't going to feel like something that's far-fetched anymore because, hey, everybody does it. It's just something that's like a daily routine now. And yeah, actually, it's really fun to just talk about the topic that you are interested in with the people who are also interested in that particular subject. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, join our Discord. And also, for today's day, I'll fantasy the post. Today's July 28, 2025, and today's memes are posted an 11 pence post last 24 hours GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself. Thank you.